Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is finding arc, angles, and the central angle. To understand the concept, let's understand what is the relationship between the central angle and the intercepted arc. A central angle is an angle formed by two intersecting radii such that its vertex is at the center of the circle. Measure of the central angle is equal to the measure of the intercepted arc. We'll be using this concept to solve our questions. The first one says solve, and we're given a circle. In a circle with center C, measure of angle ECB equals to 3x minus 5 degrees. That is, this angle is 3x minus 5 degrees. And measure of angle DCB, that is this angle over here, is 2x plus 155 degrees. So these two angles are given to us. We have to find out the measure of arc EB, that is this portion over here. We have to find out the measure of this arc. Now from the question, we've marked all things that are given to us. Let's draw a rough looking circle over here. As per the concept, if we know the central angle, that is this angle, this is equal to the measure of this arc. This is what we have stated over here. The measure of the central angle is equal to the measure of the intercepted arc. So we'll be using this. If we find out the measure of angle ECB in the given question, then we can find out the arc length EB. So for that, if we see, notice carefully, measure of angle ECB plus measure of angle DCB equals to 180 degrees. They are forming a linear pair. So we substitute the value of ECB as 3x minus 5 plus DCB as 2x plus 155 equals to 180 degrees. So we put the like terms together. 3x plus 2x is a 5x plus 150 equals to 180. To find out the value of x, we first subtract 150 from both sides. This cancels. 5x equals to 30. 180 minus 150 is 30 degrees. Dividing by 5 on both sides, we get the value of x, that is x equals to 6. Now we'll plug back x equals to 6 in ECB. So therefore measure of angle ECB equals to 3x minus 5 degrees, which is equals to 3 times 6 minus 5, 18 minus 5, that is equals to 13 degrees. Now as per the concept stated, measure of the central angle is equal to the measure of the intercepted arc. Since our central angle is ECB for the intercepted arc EB, therefore measure of arc EB is also equals to 13 degrees. This is our final answer and can be seen in option B. For better understanding, let's do the next question. Solve. In a circle with center C, measure of angle ACD is 18x minus 7 degrees and measure of angle ACE is 10x plus 19 degrees. We have to find out the measure of arc EB. For that, if we find out the measure of angle ECB, that will be equal to the measure of the arc EB. For that, let's first find out the value of x. That can be done by 18x minus 7 plus 10x plus 19 is 180 degrees because they are forming a linear pair. We can mention because of the linear pair. So we put the like terms together. This is 18x. 18x plus 10x is a 28x plus 12 equals to 180 degrees. Subtracting 12 from both sides, we get 28x equals to, this gets cancelled, 180 minus 12 is 168. To find out the value of x, we divide by 28 on both sides and we check it. 168 divided by 28 equals to 6. 168 divided by 28, this is 1 and this is 6. So we get the value of x as 6. Now we'll plug it in the measure of angle ACD equals to 18x minus 7 degrees. This is equals to 18 times 6 minus 7 degrees. 18 times 6 is 108 minus 7 equals to 101 degrees. Now measure of angle ACD is equals to measure of angle ECB because of the vertical angle theorem. Therefore measure of angle ECB equals to 101 degrees. Now measure of the central angle is equal to the measure of the intercepted arc. So measure of arc EB equals to measure of angle ECB, which is equals to 101 degrees. This is our final answer and can be seen in option B. Moving on to the next question. Solve. In circle with center C, measure of angle ECB is 3x minus 5 degrees. Measure of angle ACD is 14x minus 27 degrees. Find measure of arc EB, that is here. If you find out the measure of angle ECB, that will be equal to the measure of arc EB. That is measure of arc EB equals to the measure of the central angle, that is ECB. Now here we see we are given angle ECB and ACD. They are equal to each other because of the vertical angle. Measure of angle ECB is equal to the measure of angle ACD. This is by vertical angle. They are vertical angles, so they are equal. So now we can plug in the values. 3x minus 5 equals to 14x minus 27. So we add 5 to both sides first and we get this cancels. 3x equals to 14x minus 22. Now we subtract 14x from both sides and we get negative 11x equals to negative 22. We divide by negative 11 on both sides to get the value of x. This cancels and this is 2. So our x equals to 2. Now plugging the value of x equals to 2 in 3x minus 5, we get measure of angle ECB equals to 3x minus 5, which is equals to 3 times 2 minus 5. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1 degree. Therefore measure of arc EB equals to measure of angle ECB, which is equals to 1 degree. This is our final answer and can be seen in option B. I hope finding arc, angles and the central angle is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.